Alright, today is Trigger Pull Thursday, and I'm looking at the, let's see, what are we looking at? I am looking at the Kel-Tec Sub-2000, and you can see it's got the Kel-Tec logo, Cocoa, Florida, made in USA, and a couple things I did to it. Well, there's this little rubber sleeve that goes over the well, let's see, that's the cheek rest right there. And this is a 2-finger bolt handle instead of the 1-finger. And on the other end, I put on a little flash suppressor. It's pretty cool. This is a threaded barrel. And this rifle is in 9mm. And you can see right there, it takes G17 and 22 magazines. That's the Glock Mags. So that makes it nice. And this one came with a 12-round P-Mag. And I have 2 rounds of 9mm snap cap loaded in this thing. And I'm only going to do 2. Because I've been working with it and it's got kind of a heavy trigger pull. But I did send for a kit from M-Carbo, a spring kit. Should lower it a few pounds. So let's do, oh, here's the snap cap magazine, but it also, like I said, it takes Glock magazines. And this holds, well, it says, what does that say, 32 or 30 rounds? I like to load them down to about 25. So it does take the longer Glock mags. So I'm going to load this with the snap caps. Safety is on. Alright, safety is on. Safety off, safety on, safety off. Let's do the first trigger pull. Okay, first trigger pull is 6 pounds. 14.0 ounces. It's kind of heavy. It's actually pretty good for defensive purposes. This is not a precision rifle. Let's do another one. Let's see if I can get this redone. Okay, second trigger pull. Snap cap is loaded. Second trigger pull is at 6 pounds, 9.5 ounces. I don't know if I can get an average out of that. That's not right. So the trigger pull on this thing is about 6 pounds. And I have sent for an M-Carbo Spring Kit, which should lower the trigger pull by maybe 2 pounds. So I'm looking forward to that. And this Kel-Tec Sub-2000 made in USA definitely deserves cowbell. Knuckle bump.